Introducing the Design Automation for Fusion API, a game-changing cloud service for automating design and manufacturing workflows. Let's explore how this service can save you time and automate 3D packing for additive manufacturing. Here, I have a step file with a number of parts that I want to pack with Fusion's industry-leading 3D nesting technology. I'm working with a step file here, but this could work with 3MFs, STLs, or any other file format that Fusion supports. I also have a Python script that will submit my job to the Design Automation for Fusion service, and a JSON file with my credentials. From the command line, I can execute my script with the required variables. I'll sign in to my Autodesk account. And as you can see, our job is running on the Design Automation for Fusion cloud service. In this example, I submitted a job via a script executed from the command line, but you can imagine how this could fit into your internal workflows or on a web page. Once packing is completed using Fusion's most advanced packing algorithm, TrueShape, the script opens up Fusion Team in my browser, and I can inspect the results. From here, I can even hit this button and open the file in the Fusion desktop application, ready for printing. Setting up the system for yourself is easy. With an Autodesk account and by updating the credentials in the JSON file, you can run the script and start automating your 3D nesting workflows. In the credentials file, these 3 fields need to be filled in. First, we need a personal access token. Make your way to the Autodesk Platform Services webpage, click on the portrait icon and select Profile. In the menu on the left of your window, select Security and then generate a new personal access token. Be sure to select Design Automation for Fusion as the product scope. Add a token name and press Generate. Then, copy the successfully generated token into your credentials file. Next, return to the Autodesk Platform Services webpage, click on the portrait icon and select My Applications from the list. Create a new application. The type should be a traditional web app and add a name. Finally, copy the client ID and client secret into your credentials file, and you'll be ready to run this script. Experience the future of manufacturing and automation with the Design Automation API for Fusion. Join the open beta program of Design Automation for Fusion on aps.autodesk.com and automate your design and manufacturing processes today.